Alright, hi everybody. So SIBM Pune calls are out this morning for the next round of interviews. And first of all, congratulations to all those who've got the call for their GEP and VAT process. Now what you have to do is, first of all, you have to fill in the form given by, it's a small form wherein you have to fill in a couple of details for the next round. So the dates as far as your interviews are concerned, it's going to be, I believe it's 7, 8, 9 of the February. Then there's a 2 days gap. And you can fill in the dates. I think that's around about 12 or 13 and 14. So you can fill up this thing or this thing. Try to choose the slots as early as you can. My advice to all of you will be, try to kind of fill the form a little bit later. Should not be first and the second day, because you at least get to know that what's happening, what's the mood of the faculty, what kind of questions have been asked to the candidates who went on 7th or 8th of the February. So that's number one. If you're a fresher, I would advise you to kind of fill the form or take the weekday for you, because the workers guys are going to be on weekend, and trust me, they're going to grill you because they come with a lot of experience and tactics and all that stuff. But again, it's a subjective thing, guys. It's not going to be the same thing that I'm saying. But just to be on the safer side, if you're a fresher, try to avoid people with work ex. Yeah. Now let's understand what's there in Symbiosis ka form. Now, if you look at the form. Now let me show you this. Yeah, so you have to fill in these academic details out here, right? Your blood group, Aadhaar, achievement academically, achievements and descriptions, You have to fill in these things. Sports, hobby is going to be important because this is going to be one of your interview question. And once you are done with this, then you have something called as PI questions / HR questions, wherein they are going to ask you about, they will be asking you about your goals in life, how MBA is going to help you. So it's a 2 question combined in 1 question, right? That's a beautiful thing. What new skills you've learned in last 2 years? Great. Challenging situation. Okay, perfect. So guys, these are the questions. Briefly describe yourself, elaborating on your strength and weakness. So these are going to be the most important questions which will form a basis for your personal interview. And you got to be really, really smart. You got to be very careful, rather extra careful when you fill in these answers, because these answers can make your life a little bit easy, or it can also make your life a bit tough, because your PI is going to be predominantly on these things. So there are a lot of people, they fill in the form oppositely. They try to fill in the form, whatever the way they can afford to, right? Don't do that. You got to think about it. So write down all your answers first of all. Okay, write it down, kind of get it validated by your senior, or maybe your mentor, or maybe your teachers from the class, or maybe any of the professor, and then you make it final and try to put them into the boxes. Make sure that the grammatical mistakes are not there, the sentence formation is perfect, the usage of words is correct. So take care of these small things, because SIBM Pune being the elite college, they will take care of these things. Rather, they would kind of vouch for this. Right now, if you want to join me for GEPI preparation of Symbiosis, you can join my WhatsApp group. The link is given in the description. You can click that link and get joined in that group. So you can actually come and join me for this. I will be taking a session tomorrow. That is Sunday. I'm taking this session at FC Road branch at 1 PM, wherein I'm targeting to complete all these questions. So all these questions out here, I will be completing them tomorrow. So you can fill the form. I think the last day to fill the form is 14, which is your Monday. So you don't want to be late to fill this form, and you have to choose your slot also. So tomorrow, if you're in Pune, you can come and join. You can sit in the classroom. It's free. If you're not a Pune resident, or you're from Mumbai or like out of Maharashtra, you can connect to me on my YouTube channel. You can subscribe to my channel for further videos. Now, let me brief you about the process as far as SIBM Pune is concerned. So now let's talk about your percentile, or let's talk about your cutoff. So you might be somebody who's got a call at 98 percentile, or you might be somebody who's got a call at say 99.99 percentile. Now the question here is that, will I be able to convert this call even when I get the call when I'm on the edge of the percentile? And the answer is absolutely yes. I have seen people converting SIBM Pune at 98 percentile, and I've also seen students not converting SIBM Pune at 99.20 percentile. So guys, what GEPI is going to be, so Couple of things I will make a mention out here is that it's not only GEPI. So you've got a group exercise wherein they'll give you one case. You will be actually there will be groups divided into like 8 people or 9 people. There will be groups formed. Will be given a case to you guys, and you will have to literally tell them the answer. So they will give you the roles. Somebody will be a senior manager, somebody will be a CEO, somebody will be a third party or client, something like that. So you got to really work hard on these things. So that's your group exercise. Then comes your VAT. So there will be a bit of VAT also. They might give you a topic to write it down. So VAT gets divided into 2 things predominantly. One can be the HR questions or the PI questions they might tell you to write down. And the another can be they might give you a topic which can be a logical topic or can be a social topic or can be an abstract topic also. And you got to write 300 to 500 words on them, right? So that's number 2. So this is number 1, number 2 in here. And number 3 is going to be your personal interview. Yeah, so personal interview is going to be normal. Again, I will be discussing all the PI questions, and then comes something called as extempore. So extempore is going to be number 4. You will be given a topic, and on the spot you will have to talk around about a 1 minute or about 2 minutes on the given topic. So guys, now remember, as far as SIBM Pune is concerned, the whole Symbiosis College from Funda is concerned, your 30% weightage has been given to personal interview and 50% weightage has been given to your score. So if you are at 98 percentile and if you are at 99.99, the gap between these two guys, when I allocate them in this 50% category, the gap is going to get narrowed down. So you don't really have to worry about it. Now the only thing that you have to worry about is how are you going to perform in your personal interview or your GEPI, so on and so forth. So if you really do very well in this, you can surpass a guy who scored 99.99 or you can equal him, right? So guys, it's very important for you guys to start buckling up as far as SIBM Pune is concerned. One concern I'll show you, rather one kind of a warning I'll give you as far as the calls are concerned, right? If you look at, not everybody is getting called. Even the same thing happened in the case of SPJN. The same thing is happening in case of SIBM Pune, because the marks which are required for certain amount of percentile has gone up compared to last year. So people are going to be trying really hard as far as SIBM Pune is concerned. Now on the other side, if you look at all the cream IMs, not everybody has got a call from IM because CAT screwed quants, because of which people are not getting their sectionals cleared. They are not being given calls from the IMs. So when I talk about the non-IM category, I can put SIBM Pune in top 10 in the country. So guys, trust me, people are gonna come very, very heavy on SIBM Pune as far as interviews are concerned. They're gonna be really, really performing very well. So if you're somebody who's got this call, if this is the only call for you, or maybe you have another IM calls, guys, you got to give your 110% to SIBM Pune because it is one of the finest colleges in the country. Fine. If you need any help for your GEPI, VAT or extempore, you can join my WhatsApp group or you can directly get in touch with me, right? If there is any question, put a comment on this video and I look forward to train you guys. Thank you so much for your time. Wish you all the very best and good luck.